If you have completed the lab, then you would have 4 rows in the table test.example1. Now I would like to modify the value 6 to 3. How do I do it? I'll use an update statement for it. Update test.example1 set id equals to 3 where id equals to 6. Here update refers to the operation being performed. Test.example1 refers to the object where the update is being performed. Set is part of the update syntax indicating the specifics of the modification, and that specifics will contain the column name which is being modified, which is the column id in this case, followed by the new value. In this case it is 3. Where id equals to 6 specifies which rows in that column id to be updated. This will update only the rows where id column's value is 6. If you run it, then the table will look like this. Now a question. What if I did not use the where clause at all? Then the update statement will update all the rows of the id column and it will look like this. Thank you for watching this video.